Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Next topic for chapter third subtraction is addition and subtraction together. Now we have to start with addition and subtraction together. Let us see an example. First of all, let me explain you if we are having addition and subtraction together. First we have to solve addition, then we have to solve subtraction. For example, if you are having 10 plus 6 minus 4. First you will add 10 plus 6. Then from that you will subtract 4. Let us see an example. Solve 432 plus 3456 minus 2324. You will be solving this question in two steps. First step is, first we will add the numbers. First we will use first number, the first number, and now we will add that number to the first number which is having plus sign in front. Okay, so 432 plus 3456. You can see on the right hand side, this is step number 1. We will add this first. Now whatever will be the answer, from that answer we will subtract the left number in step number 2. This is step number 1. This will be step number 2. Clear? Now 432 plus 3456 we will add. Whatever is the result, from that result we will subtract 2324 and the answer we get is 1564. Never forget to put your answer in a box. Now, if the condition arises that the first number is 432, next number is minus, and the third number is plus. Next number is subtraction, third number is of addition. Then what you will do? We will see the number which is having plus sign before that. So we will add 1 and third number first. Let us see example. Moving to example number 2. Solve 3424 minus 4321 plus 3343. First number is there. We will write that. Now in step 1, second number, we will add that number to the first number which is having plus sign in front of it. Now here 3343 is having plus sign in front of it. So we will add this number to the first number. As you can see on the right hand side. Answer we got is 6767. Now from this sum which we obtain after adding two numbers, we will subtract the leftover number with the minus sign. So as you can see, 6767 minus 4321. Answer it gives us 2446. Clear? Solve these types of examples. Now, moving to story sums. As you can see this picture, numeracy vocabulary. Numeracy vocabulary means for addition, we can use other synonyms or other words as increase, and, sum, add, together, more, plus, total. If any of the word is written in a word statement, this means addition. You have to add the numbers. On the right hand side, subtraction, difference between, subtract, reduce, fewer, minus, take away, take from, decrease, left, remains. Many words are there. Okay. So addition and subtraction we have to do first. Later on we will do multiplication and division. This is one more example of this. In addition, add, altogether, both, combined, all those, and in subtraction also. Now let us start with one example of word problem. Vijay had rupees 9,000. He bought a sofa for rupees 2500 and a bicycle for rupees 5800. How much money is left with him? See, first statement says Vijay had rupees 9000, means total money Vijay had is equals to 9000. He brought means he has bought shopping. He has buy it from the market. He bought two things, sofa and bicycle. Now, in order to calculate how much money is left with him, first we have to add how much he has spent. How much he has spent? He has spent 5800 plus 2500. Then from that is the sum. Now from total money he had is 9000. From that total money we will subtract their sum and we will get the answer how money left with him. So let us see. Cost of sofa is equals to 2500. Cost of bicycle is equals to 5800. I told you earlier also, whenever we are having any word problem related to money, simply frame a statement, cost of this, cost of this. Now, money he spent is equals to 2500 plus 5800, which gives us 8300. Now, money left with him is equals to 9000 minus 8300, that is 700. Solve these kinds of problems where word problem includes both addition and subtraction. Thank you.